Today I'm gonna tell you how can you download Cambly English Learning application in your cell phone, and it is very easy. There is no rocket science in it. You just have to go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store in the search bar you have to write Cambly app. So just install it from here. It will take few seconds. Yes, now it has been installed. So here you go, open the app. On this screen there are three options. You can continue with your Google account, you can also continue with your Facebook, or else you can create a new account. So here you need to put your email address and then the password of Cambly. Then here you need to write your phone number, select your country first, the country code, and then you can write your number. So they will send you a code to the number you have put over here, and when you do it, you just have to tap on create account. Since I already have account over here, so I'm continuing it with Google. You are done with signing up, you will have this screen, and from here you can select any plan. So there are different classes according to the duration, 30 minutes, 15 minutes or 60 minutes. Then how many days in a week do you want to take sessions? You can select from here, and accordingly you will have to pay the fee. So once you are subscribed, you can see these are the options for tutors. You are done with subscription and all that, you will have this page, and now you can see the options here. This is subscription option, then messages, free minutes, favorite tutors. Here you can save your tutors, okay, and the reservations. This is the schedule of the classes you already have reserved, and this is in the history option. You will have all the sessions you have taken so far, and you can easily play them. You can also download them, and this is what it all about. Here you can see in the tutors option there are different tutors from across the world, and if you like any tutor you can just tab it and then tap the heart. So this profile will be saved in your favorite tutors, and if you want to check the profile video of the tutor, you just go over there and you can see the profile video.
Hello everyone,
each and every tutor.
My name is Andrew.
And if you want to message him, you can select this option. This is the schedule time. You can only make a reservation in the time where it is written over there. For example, the first one is already booked from 12 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. but the next one you can reserve your class over here because it is shown make a reservation. So you can go, you can select the minutes, you can choose the time from here, the day, and then you can go for it. Then you need to put reserve, and then it will be reserved. So that is how you schedule a class, and this is all about it. It's a very good English application where you can practice your English, and that's all about it. I hope you have liked this video, and I will catch you in the next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.